Which fish is known for its flat body and ability to camouflage on the ocean floor? The options are A. Tuna, B. Flounder, C. Clownfish. The correct answer is flounder. Which fish has a long, pointed bill and is one of the fastest swimmers? The options are A. Swordfish, B. Shark, C. Grouper. The correct answer is swordfish. Which fish is famous for living among sea anemones? The options are A. Clownfish, B. Eel, C. Snapper. The correct answer is clownfish. What is the largest fish in the ocean? The options are A. Whale, B. Whale shark, C. Manta ray. The correct answer is whale shark. Which fish uses electricity to stun prey? The options are A. Electric eel, B. Barracuda, C. Angelfish. The correct answer is electric eel. Which fish can inflate its body when threatened? The options are A. Guppy, B. Pufferfish, C. Tuna. The correct answer is pufferfish. Which fish is known for its razor-sharp teeth and aggressive nature? The options are A. Parrotfish, B. Barracuda, C. Seahorse. The correct answer is barracuda. Which fish is known for having a long, tubular snout and is related to the seahorse? The options are A. Pipefish, B. Goby, C. Tuna. The correct answer is pipefish. Which colorful reef fish has a beak-like mouth? The options are A. Parrotfish, B. Lionfish, C. Eel. The correct answer is parrotfish. Which fish is famous for glowing in the dark depths of the sea? The options are A. Swordfish, B. Anglerfish, C. Shark. The correct answer is anglerfish. Which fish looks like a snake and is often found hiding in crevices? The options are A. Tuna, B. Moray eel, C. Sardine. The correct answer is moray eel. Which large marine fish is known for its large mouth and can swallow prey whole? The options are A. Giant grouper, B. Snapper, C. Pufferfish. The correct answer is giant grouper. Which fish has venomous spines and striking red stripes? The options are A. Clownfish, B. Lionfish, C. Grouper. The correct answer is lionfish. Which fish has a unique horse-like face and swims upright? The options are A. Seahorse, B. Goby, C. Blenny. The correct answer is seahorse. Which fish has the ability to produce its own light in the deep ocean? The options are A. Lanternfish, B. Parrotfish, C. Grouper. The correct answer is lanternfish. Which flatfish has both eyes on one side of its body? The options are A. Flounder, B. Tuna, C. Bass. The correct answer is flounder. Which fish is often seen leaping out of the water and flying short distances? The options are A. Swordfish, B. Flying fish, C. Angelfish. The correct answer is flying fish. Which fish can blend in with coral reefs thanks to its color-changing ability? The options are A. Snapper, B. Wrasse, C. Cod. The correct answer is wrasse. Which fish is known for its loud, croaking sound underwater? The options are A. Atlantic croaker, B. Grouper, C. Eel. The correct answer is Atlantic croaker. Which predator fish is known for ambushing prey with a sudden burst of speed? The options are A. Snapper, B. Mackerel, C. Sardine. The correct answer is snapper. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.